Why automation has improved manufacturing. Automation plays a big role in today's manufacturing. Automation can improve simple or complex tasks in everyday manufacturing. If automation didn't exist, then there would be a longer production time and longer shipping time. Comparing automation to manual work can show us the benefits of using automation over standard employees' manual labor. As we can see, there's a vertical mill with an operator. A vertical mill is a precision tool that is used for shaping and fabrication by removing material. The operator is responsible for selecting the right tooling, RPMs, and setting the XYZ coordinates for the machine. Then the operator uses the X and Z axis to manually maneuver the table to slowly feed the part into the cutting tool. Once complete, the operator turns off the machine and puts it to a stop. Then undoes the vise and takes the part out. The part may or may not be complete depending on if the other side needs to be milled. CNCs have brought milling to life by the automation process. All the operator does is load the part into the machine and then press start. It's as simple as that. This leaves the operator time to load and unload multiple machines and run them. But every once in a while, the machines have to be probed to find its 0 points. Completing multiple parts at once sounds a lot better than one at a time. CNC milling does everything a regular mill can do, but it's all automated. We can see every once in a while it needs to be programmed by an engineer, then loaded into the machine. But other than that, the operator handles the rest. CNC machines run for minutes to hours depending on the size and difficulty of the milling.